Hello, I'm Aparna. I'm a PhD student at the Training Centre here at the University of Queensland. I am looking into adaptations that help crops survive high temperatures using the high-protein crop mungbean, Vigna radiata. Come with me today, you'll get to see where all the ideas are. I've been working on existing data, doing computational analysis on them, while keeping myself updated in the general field. Before settling into the workday, I get coffee at the cafe next to my office. Discussing science with my fellow researchers often help me see different perspectives and spark new ideas. These discussions are a crucial part of my day as they provide the foundation for shaping my research and to work with my industry partner, Department of Primary Industries, Queensland, towards improving Australian mungbean. Besides, I do my fair share of side quests, like attending summer school seminars, conferences, visiting fields, and lately I've been enjoying leading the Postgraduate Association here at this growth environment. Thanks for watching.